How do I troubleshoot my Ring device when it shows an unable to join network error message?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue that can occur with Ring devices, the unable to join network error message. This can prevent your Ring device from connecting to your home network, making it unable to function properly. But don't worry, we're here to help you tackle this problem. Let's get started.
What causes the unable to join network error?
This error typically occurs when the Ring device is having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network. This can be due to a number of reasons like Wi-Fi signal strength, incorrect network settings, or even issues with the Ring device itself.
Checking your Wi-Fi signal strength.
First things first, let's make sure your Wi-Fi signal strength is sufficient. Your Ring device needs a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection to function properly. 1. Test your Wi-Fi signal strength in the area where your Ring device is installed. You can do this using a smartphone or tablet. 2. If the signal is weak, try moving your router closer to the Ring device or use a Wi-Fi extender to boost signal strength. Remember, a weak Wi-Fi signal can prevent your Ring device from connecting to your network.
Verifying your network settings.
The next thing you should check is your network settings. 1. Make sure you're connecting to the correct network and you're entering the correct password. 2. Ensure your network is using a 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is commonly supported by Ring devices. 3. Check if your router's security settings are compatible with the Ring device. Avoid using WEP security as it is older and less secure. Note, incorrect network settings can lead to the unable to join network error.
Resetting your Ring device.
If the above steps didn't work, it's time to reset your Ring device. 1. Locate the reset button on your Ring device. It's usually a small, black button. 2. Press and hold the button for about 15 seconds. 3. After releasing the button, give your Ring device a few minutes to complete the reset process. 4. Once the Ring device has been reset, try connecting it to your network again. Caution: this will reset all your previous settings on the Ring device. We hope this guide helps you resolve the unable to join network error on your Ring device. Remember to check your Wi-Fi signal strength, verify your network settings, and if necessary, reset your Ring device. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope your Ring device is back up and running in no time. Stay connected, stay secure,